Using a GX Bank virtual card is an easy and secure way to make online transactions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively use it. Open a GX Bank account. If you haven't already, download the GX Bank app from your app store and sign up for an account. Ensure you complete the necessary identity verification process. Create your virtual card. Once logged in, navigate to the card section and select Create Virtual Card. Fill in the required details, such as your spending limit and purpose of the card. Fund your card. Transfer funds to your virtual card from your main GX Bank account. Ensure there are sufficient funds for the purchases you intend to make. Use for online transactions. When shopping online, select the payment option for credit or debit cards. Enter your GX Bank virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date and CVV. Monitor transactions. Keep track of your spending and transaction history directly through the GX Bank app. This helps you manage your budget effectively. Security features. Utilize any security features offered by GX Bank, such as temporary card locks or alerts for unauthorized transactions, to ensure your card is secure.